traction control is just garbage.
Yeah. I'm trying to feather it out.
Right, but
feather the throttle out. It's not doing anything.
I think once it activates, it just doesn't unactivate until it gets grip again.
Yep.
So it's probably not letting you modulate it at all. You okay back there? All right.
There's also not as much grip.
Oh, that was close. Fuck. It looked fucking close.
Yeah.
ABS still doing good?
Yeah, ABS is doing wonders.
Okay. Brakes themselves feel like they feel like it.
Pretty much the limitation is clearly in the tires.
And traction control.
Yeah.
Because right there, you could have powered that out.
Yeah, exactly. Like, give me something to work with.
Right. And just for the audience to know, the scraping you hear is not it bottoming out. This thing has a front skid plate that's just damaged. That's what's scraping. It's not the body. This car's had a hard life. We're not helping it.
No. Because people like us. I would not be surprised if this has gone through a track day at some point.
Yeah, right? It feels like it.
Come on.
Okay then. I think we got error there. That's the only reason it did that shit. Mm-hmm. And there again. Those G meters just going fucking insane.
Yeah.
Now I smell brakes. Oh, yes, it's you.
Come on, go.
Go! Fuck up! You're an Alfa Romeo, goddammit, not a Sentra. The fucking active headlights aren't really, you know, it's distracting a little bit.
Yeah, it's a weird ass flickering going on.
Because it's fucking the whole front end is vibrating. It's because it's a crash repair. I wonder how much we're blowing. The ratios are nice, it's just that it doesn't really want to be in full power because of lack of grip.
Yeah, maybe it is really mitigating the amount of throttle, but not to the best amount. You still want that slip angle of acceleration.
Some neutral steer and all that.
Fuel flow. What are we at?
For what?
Fuel.
I can't say. What do you mean? Look. Well, when we get to the end, we'll find out how bad we are.
Okay.
Unless it's just the gas is sloshing around and just tripped the sensor. Could be. Okay, we're out of gas. We got gas tank. Gas thing in the back. Hopefully.
Okay, that was actually good.
Okay, I like
it. Let me go.
It lets you do a little bit. Maybe if you come in sliding, it lets you fucking, you know, continue it on because you're already there.
Yeah.
But not let you start, yeah. So oversteer under braking, it'll let you have some fun. Yeah, I like that one.
I think that, yeah, it likes to have mellow angles when exiting. If I straighten it out enough, it'll behave nicely.
Right.
It just doesn't like sustaining a drift.
Right. Unless it's already in a brake-induced slide. I love the fact we're peaking the G meter, doesn't even know anymore. It's like, what the fuck are you doing?
Yeah.
Oh, the gas light isn't. I like that.
Yeah.
That felt good. I wonder if that vibration we're hearing is just the traction control fucking fighting it.
Yeah, it's the ABS working in tandem with the traction control.
Right.
To kind of
just stabbing at it hella fast.
Yeah.
And tire folding a little bit.
Yeah, slightly. They don't realize I am holding the accelerator to get the rotation. And
Yeah, you pretty much have it welded, huh?
Yeah, but then, I mean, I guess I am one of those idiots that they're trying to protect, but
Right.
I think, I don't know, I would hope that the strategy I have is faster than this traction control system. Jeez.
What the fuck was that? Come on, an electric Mach-E, let's just turn it all the way off. This is a fine Italian machine. I will say it's doing pretty damn good of all that considered.
Oh yeah.
Just for a base Giulia. Someone said that recently. Oh, your Eco Store's only go down 2 points.
2 points.
That's it. It was 72. Now it's 71.
Hey, it's economical.
Hey, get the 69. It'll be good. Oh, yes, sir.
I gotta say the brakes are pretty good. They start off squishy.
But I think once they get some heat in them.
They're still squishy.
Okay.
I just thought it might have been a bad sign because usually it shows us like, all right, this thing's not gonna last. But no, it stayed consistent the whole time.
Right.
I didn't hold back. The design intent wasn't to like have a fast run. It was just to see how much abuse this could take in a short amount of time, and it did well.
And this is arguably the most abusive road we have. What?
What happened?
Repeat that. Repeat that.
Your brake might be on fire. We just saw spark.
Okay, we'll check that. Brakes are on fire.
We'll just
Roll
go
it.
slowly for now.
All right. We're gonna roll onto it, let it cool before we pull over.
Or actually, have them go in front.